Hi everyone, this is question number 17 in chapter 2. So if we differentiate this side on the left, we will get the terms on the right. So let's differentiate this. Okay, given that A and B, they are positive, yeah? So let's differentiate this first. So we have A, X, M. Let's, after differentiate, we have AM, X to the power M minus 1, plus BN, x to the power of n minus 1 equivalent to 12 x to the power of s plus 9 x to the power of t. Now for this, we have to agree that the first term is equivalent to the first term on the right, and the second term on the left is equivalent to the second term on the right. Okay, so now we compare the index. S equals to m minus 1 and t is equivalent to n minus 1. And now we compare the coefficient. So we know that am equals to 12 and bn equals to 9. All right, so part A, we are supposed to find S over T in terms of A and B. Now look at the S and T that we have. It is written in M and N. That means we have to replace the M and N so that it contains the A or the B. So by looking at the second set of equation, we notice that M can be written in A. So that will be M equals to 12 over A. And n equals to 9 over b. So let's use this and put into the equation. So s over t equals to n minus 1. So whenever I see m, I replace with 12 over a minus 1. And then over t is n minus 1. So n is 9 over b minus 1. Now, when we see fraction in fraction, to make things look much simpler, we write in a division form. So 12 minus a over a. This fraction bar means the numerator is divided by the denominator. So 9 minus b over b. Okay, so 12 minus a over a, we multiply b over 9 minus b. The moment we change the division into multiplication, the reciprocal, the fraction that follows must write in its reciprocal. So the answer will be b 12 minus a over a times 9 minus b. We can leave this as our answer or we expand it. So we have 12b minus ab over 9a minus ab. Okay, so we found the answer for a. Next, we need to find b. Find the value of a and b, given that 3s equals to 5t and m over n equals to 3 over 2. Now, to find a and b, we have to use what we have got in a, that is s over t equals to this. And we have to replace the s over t with the numerical value. So it's just nice that we are given 3s equals to 5t. So for part B, 3s equals to 5t. That means s over t equals to 5 over 3. Okay, and s over t in A, we already got that. It is equivalent to 12b minus ab over 9a minus ab. That is equals to 5 over 3. Let's simplify this part first. We have 36b minus 3ab equals to 45a minus 5ab. We cross multiply, yeah? And let's rearrange. We will have 36b plus 2ab minus 45a equals to 0. Now look at this equation. We have the unknown a and unknown b. They are variables. So in order for us to find the value for the unknown, we have to have two equations. So this is one equation that obtained from 3s equals to 5t. So the second equation must be able to, we must be able to get it from m over n equals to 3 over 2. So let's just put that down. M over n equals to 3 over 2. So what is M? M is 12 over 8. So let's write 12 over 8. Okay, equals to, when I bring this n over there, so 3 over 2, the n is 9 over b. Okay, let's write simplified number. So we have 27 over 2b. So in order for us to solve this, okay, we have to make one of them the subject. So we shall make b. Okay, make b the subject, b go up. The 12 over a will go to the other side. So b will equals to 27 over 2 times with a over 12. And from here, we can simplify, divide up and down with 3. So we have 9, and this is 4. So 9 over 8a is b. So call this equation 1, call this equation 2. Now we need to substitute equation 1. Okay, put equation 2 into equation 1. So every time when I see b, I replace with 9 over 8a plus 2a, b is 9 over 8a, and then minus 45a equals to 0. Now I have, if I divide both sides, if I multiply both sides with 8 and divide by 9 at the same time, because I want to get rid of the 9 over 8. So let's factorize this way. So I multiply the whole thing with 8 over 9 on both sides. So put this 8 over 9 into each and every terms. So we will get 8 over 9 times with 9 over 8 simplified. So we have 36a plus this side, the 9 over 8 is simplified by 8 over 9. So we have 2a squared. And then over here, 45 times 8 over 9. So when we simplify it, we will get 40. So minus 40a equals to 0. Okay, and we can combine the 36a with the minus 48. So we have 2a squared minus 4a equals to 0. Therefore, we can factorize the 2a. So left with just a minus 2 equals to 0. So it's either a equals to 0 or a equals to 2. And from the question, it say a and b, they are positive number greater than 0. So we reject this. A equals to 0. We get a equals to 2 as our answer. Okay, that is only a. Now we look for b. So from equation 2, b equals to 9 over 8a. A is 2, so it's simplified. So b is 9 over 4. So we got the solution. A is 2, b is 9 over 4. That is b. Next, let's move on to c. Hence or otherwise, we got to find the value of m, n, s, and t. So most likely is we continue with what we have found up there. So since we have found a and b, now we can find m and n. So m is 12 over 8. So for part C, m equals to 12 over a. Since we already found a, so let's just replace that. A equals to 2, so m is 6. At the same time, n equals to, n is equals to 9 over b. So let's just put 9 over b. b is 9 over 4. 9 over 4. So we got the answer 4. Use calculator, 9 divided by 9 divided by 4. So we got 4. So once we have found m and n, now we can find s and t. S is n minus 1. S equals to m minus 1, so 6 minus 1 equals to 5. And t is n minus 1, so 4 minus 1, we got 3. So our solution, let's put them together. M equals to 6, n equals to 4, and s equals to 5, t equals to 3. So that's it for question number 17.